How to fix the fitness app not working on your iPhone. So the very first thing we need to do is just make sure you have the app installed onto your phone. Now if you've accidentally uninstalled this, you could always open up the App Store and then using the search box you can just go and type in fitness and you can download this app here, which is Apple Fitness. Now if you're having issues with the app and it's not working, the first way to fix this is to go and open up your settings, and then we need to scroll down and click on General. You can then click on iPhone Storage and scroll down until you see fitness. If you can't see it in this list, then click on Show All and just scroll down until you see the fitness app. You can then click on it like so, click on Offload app and press Offload. Now once that's finished, just click on the reinstall button. Now the next thing you'll need to do is open back up the settings and scroll down to privacy and security and click on this. Then go and scroll down to motion and fitness and make sure your fitness tracking is turned on and enabled. You can then try opening up the fitness app and you can check to see if that's now solved your issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to go and open back up the settings on your phone. Scroll down to General and click on this, then scroll down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset and just click Reset Location and Privacy, and then you'll need to enter the passcode to your phone, and once this has been reset, it should have went and fixed the fitness app. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.